Hey guys, what's going on? This is Aaron up here at Mercedes-Benz of Marietta. Got this 2019 3ZR ZR1 Corvette. Right at 1,800 miles on it, 755 horsepower. Seriously beautiful car. Just want to do a quick walk around for you guys. Quick review, show you some of the exterior features as well as the interior features. It's got those awesome carbon ceramic brakes on it by Brembo. Wrapped in those Michelin tires. This is a track warrior. Let's go ahead and take a step on the interior here. Again, with the carbon fiber package, you're going to have all these accents on the exterior, the roof, and your spoiler. Your door sills. We'll hop down here. You're going to see your Bose premium sound, memory seats, automatic windows. Again, carbon fiber accents all throughout the vehicle. This one is going to be equipped with the automatic transmission. See your adjustments here for your traction and sport. Parking brake, cup holders on in here. You have your USB ports in here with your 12-volt outlet. Your ZR1 badging behind the shifter here. You'll see over here you do have your heads-up display. I want to start the vehicle for you. Very aggressive noise from that supercharged V8. You're going to have your heated and ventilated seats for both driver and passenger, two-way climate control, satellite navigation. See your screen goes up and down as well. Also want to let you guys get a look at these competition seats. Carbon fiber inserts there. Get a look up at the roof for you. You do have this additional top back here as well. These are removable, of course. Perfect amount of clearance between that spoiler and the rear deck lid. Guys, if you have any questions, you know where to find me, Mercedes-Benz of Marietta. My direct number is going to be 470-322-5887. As you see, we do not just sell Mercedes-Benz. Anything you want, need, I'm gonna have it. Thanks, have a great day.